The health benefits of grass-fed beef. Beef is a red meat which comes from domesticated cattle and has been consumed by humans for at least 10,000 years. This meat is one of the most nutrient-dense foods and has some fantastic health benefits for the human body. In today's video, we will explore 17 facts and benefits of beef and the best types of beef to consume. 1. Muscle growth. Grass-fed beef is one of the best protein sources for helping to build muscle tissue in the body. It is also rich in conjugated linoleic acid, which helps your muscles to use fat for energy and boosts exercise performance. 2. Heart health. Studies show that consuming foods rich in an amino acid called L-carnitine improves the mortality rate by 27% for heart failure patients. Beef is rich in L-carnitine, which helps to reduce hypertension, oxidative stress and inflammation in order to protect the heart from angina and heart attacks. 3. Blood flow. If you suffer with anemia or poor circulation, then consuming grass-fed beef can help. It is one of the richest sources of easily absorbed heme iron, which helps to make red blood cells and hemoglobin. Your body also needs lots of vitamin B12 for making blood cells, and luckily beef contains a high amount of this nutrient. 4. Weight loss. A healthy way to lose weight is lowering your carbohydrates and consuming more sources of healthy fat. Grass-fed beef is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids which help you to tap into your own fat reserves for energy. Omega-3s reduce insulin resistance, and proteins from red meat keeps you more satisfied when dieting. 5. Liver health. Beef is also rich in amino acids which the body converts into glutathione. Glutathione is the master antioxidant which improves liver function and the elimination of toxins from the body. It also helps to protect against cellular damage and can slow the effects of aging in the internal organs. 6. Immunity. If you suffer with regular cold or flu infections often, then we recommend adding some grass-fed beef into the diet. The glutathione present in this meat, along with iron, zinc, B12 and B6, all work together synergistically to strengthen the immune system. This lowers the risk of infections from viruses, bacteria and other invaders, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. 7. Lean mass. As we get older, we tend to lose skeletal muscle mass, which raises the risk of an earlier death. The body finds it hard to synthesize proteins with age, so it's important to strengthen this as much as possible. Grass-fed beef, lamb and liver are some of the best protein-rich foods for keeping the body strong with age. 8. Minerals. Many people are deficient in minerals, particularly zinc and selenium. Minerals are very important cofactors which are used in millions of cell functions and enzyme reactions in the body. Grass-fed cows are a great source of zinc, selenium, copper, potassium and other macro minerals. 9. Fights AGEs. In our modern diets, we tend to consume lots of advanced glycation end products or AGEs from processed foods. AGEs can contribute to faster aging and progressive damage to the liver. Beef contains 50% more carnosine than chicken and white meat, which helps to reduce AGEs and protect against many health conditions. 10. Diabetes. Consuming high-quality meat and fish such as this helps to improve insulin sensitivity. This is excellent for those with diabetes because it has a minimal effect on blood sugars but can actively improve this disease. The CLA in grass-fed beef helps the cells to accept glucose for better overall health. 11. Cancer. CLA has also been shown in many studies to promote health and fight cancer. Grass-fed beef contains 3 times more CLA than regular grain-fed meats. A Finnish study showed that women who consume high amounts of CLA in their diets had a lower risk of breast cancer. More research on CLA is currently required. 12. Brain health. Beef is also wonderful for improving brain health due to its concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. These have been shown to lower the risk of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's and other neurodegenerative diseases. The B vitamins in beef also promote a healthy nervous system and help to keep mental health stable by improving the mood and making neurotransmitters. 13. Pregnancy. During pregnancy, it is important to eat lots of nutrient-dense foods for the development of a healthy child. The complex of life-building nutrients in beef helps to develop a healthy fetus, whilst the iron promotes healthy blood flow and nourishment. 14. Skin health. To maintain healthy, elastic skin, the body requires collagen. It can make this from various non-essential amino acids, which come from beef and other animal sources. Consuming high-quality meats helps the skin to keep its youthful appearance with age, with a less likelihood of sagging skin and wrinkles. 15. Grass-fed versus grain-fed. Commercial meats are usually grain-fed, which causes them to have a lower nutritional value. Grain-fed cows are often consuming pesticides, which interferes with hormones, causing potential health risks with their meat. We highly recommend consuming grass-fed and grass-finished beef products instead. These healthier bred animals contain 5 times more omega-3 fatty acids, 3 times more CLA, and have more absorbable vitamin D than milk. 16. How to cook. Overcooked beef can be less healthy for the body because of its potential carcinogenic properties. Beef should be cooked to a rare or medium rare temperature. Steaks in particular should always be cooked over a heat source such as a frying pan. We recommend adding a little sea salt, black pepper, rosemary and thyme for the most flavoursome dish. Rosemary and thyme also help to negate any negative effects from consuming overcooked beef because of their antioxidant content. 17. Cuts of beef. There are many different cuts of meat which come from different parts of the animal. We recommend consuming fattier cuts such as ribeye. These are easier to digest and provide more fat-soluble nutrients marbled throughout the protein. If consuming minced beef, opt for the fattier variety as leaner meats have a higher insulin response. Never consume refined carbohydrates alongside meats. As you can see, beef can be a very healthy food to consume as long as it comes from the correct source. Grass-fed and grass-finished beef is actually one of the most nutrient-dense foods in the human diet, especially if consumed alongside healthy vegetables and salad. This provides a complete and balanced nutritional profile with every single meal. We also recommend beef bone broth and beef liver to get the entire complex of nutrients from the same animal product. In our other videos, we discuss the benefits of many other superfoods, especially herbs, spices and tonics. To learn more about nutrition and herbal medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.